gentlemen of YouTube, this is Raze Chaos, coming right back at you with another video. Welcome back. It's great to have you. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And, you know, click the link and click the little bell thingy that sends you the notifications. Make sure that you don't miss any of my YouTube goodness, I guess. Okay, so as you can probably already tell, probably from the description and the picture, this right here, we've got a case of mystery minis from Birds of Prey and then Fantabulous Emancipation of Harley Quinn. So yes, and unlike the Aquaman mystery minis, this came in a full case. And I have a little bit of a bonus for you. I hit the GameStop right before we went into lockdown. And they had, oh my goodness. They had, not all of them, making sure they got them all. They had 5 packages by themselves, and I went ahead and picked up all of them. Pretty sure it's 5. Yeah, it's 5. Okay, so that's nearly half a case by itself, and the difference is they have 2 exclusives that you aren't going to get anywhere else. Now, see, I'd already visited this GameStop, and I had picked up a mystery mini before, and I unboxed it here on the channel, and that was the Flocked Bruce from Harley Quinn. That was a GameStop exclusive. So while I don't expect it, I am anticipating that I will have doubles, obviously. This is a regular set of the figures, so this isn't a, 1 in 12 on the back and everything. So this will most definitely be one that I don't get the whole set, and I potentially get doubles even within the case. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I actually just finished watching the movie too, so we can get a talk about it. And I really did enjoy the movie. Again, just like any comic book geek, there were inaccuracies and there were, what the heck, why'd they do that kind of moments. But overall, I pretty much enjoyed the movie. So as I unbox, oh wow. This the plastic is melted to the box in this case. See? Don't know what that's about, unless of course they rewrap this. Doesn't appear to be. The glue on the box appears to be okay. So, okay, that's very, very strange. I have never had that happen before. As you well know, because if you're a returning person, you have seen me unbox several mystery minis. So let's see who's next. I didn't grab a trash thing. Do I have anything I can use as a trash thing here? Anything at all? All right. Hang on. I'll go ahead and use that as a trash thing. So, without further anticipation, we're going to see who I got here. And first up, no surprise, I got the Birds of Prey Black Canary. Black Canary was a very huge departure from the comics, the classic comics, the pre-New 52, in which she's a second generation superhero, and here she's quite a distance away from that. But I was happy to see, spoiler alert, that she did the canary cry in there. That was actually a surprise, and I was very happy to see that. I do like the fact that they included that. And here we go. What's up next? What's up next? What's up next? And we're basically running through here to see, oh, is this exclusive? No, it's not exclusive. However, it is a 1 in 24, so it is a rare find. It's the baby Harley in the onesie. I imagine this one is quite coveted because, I mean, it is adorable. All right. So, what do we got next? Yeah, I am doing the GameStop first because, well, I've been sitting on them for quite a while. But I wanted to do I'm not going to unbox smaller cases or smaller just individual things. If I'm going to do Mystery Minis anymore, I'm going to do a full case. Unless it's part of another video, because that could get really quick. Aha! Here is from the final fight, the Harley Quinn booby trap, much like the you know what? I'll be right back. And we're back! It didn't make sense for me not to include the Harley Quinn that I just showed you earlier this week. That made absolutely no sense not to include. So there she is. And here's the Harley Quinn with the acting like I just, oh yeah. Okay, yeah, I just unboxed this one. Here's this costume with the I believe this is the police tape as far as sleeves go. Yeah, so we're gonna keep going. I do have quite a collection of mystery minis of Harley Quinn, and it just keeps expanding. So, yeah, our first double. Not a bad one to have a double of. But yeah, she's a 1 in 6, so that should come as no surprise. This one is a 1 in 24. And both of these are 1 in 6s, so very easy chance of getting either one of these, but not so much that, I mean, you can go through a whole case and not get that one. So, very glad we got that little bonus. And this is our last chance at one of the other GameStop exclusive mini mysteries. Mystery minis. What are we talking about, sir? Open! There we go. And we've got a roller derby Harley. From another part of the movie, I'm just going to take a look, because I know this is yeah, that one's another 1 in 6. We are definitely full of the Harley this time, which that's pretty much what we expected. Okay, so we missed out on the other exclusive, which was the other Black Mask Roman version. In the regular version, he's got a white suit on, and in the GameStop exclusive, it's black. And the Bruce that I could get in this is actually not flocked, which the one I got from the GameStop earlier, actually is flocked. So that's still cool that I got. I'm like it even more that since I've seen the movie. But I was glad to see. I think in that video I'd actually mentioned that I was guessing on why the name was Bruce, and she says in the movie that yes, it is basically because of Bruce Wayne, which I thought was odd. I would have preferred them to keep with the old classic comedy routines. Guess what this one is? You might. Oh, we got another Birds of Prey. We got another Black Canary. Another Black Canary. So I'm gonna put the I don't know, the first ones we get over here, and we'll keep the duplicates back over here. But of course, you know, I'll be doing close-ups on all of these, and honestly, having the duplicates makes it a little bit easier because I can shoot them side by side so you get the front and back view at the same time, which can be handy and time-saving. Oh, I love how some of these are like little balloons. They're like completely just airtight, and some of them are just completely... There we go. Oh my goodness. We have got a duplicate of everything except the really rare, except the rarer one. Oh, goodness. We're only 2 in, and we've got we've got a lot of duplicates already, but that's to be expected, because I mean, I did get a full case, and a case would give me duplicates. And what do we got this time? Let's see. I'm gonna have a small army of these. Woohoo! I still would love to see in a movie the actual original Harley costume, because I know Harley can do no wrong. However, I would have loved to see her original costume in a movie, and as they keep going, that becomes less and less likely. Ah, bam. Birds of prey, birds of prey, birds of prey. What do we got? See, I was expecting to get some duplicates. Oh. What do we got? I think we're going to have to go deep to get another duplicate. We've only got 4 that aren't duplicates so far. And let's see, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. We only got, we're 9 pieces in, and we've got, ooh. Just keep the bat knife up here because I keep going back to it. And oh, okay. So we've got the Huntress, and this reminds me that I actually did grab another from that previous case. I had gone back and I had gotten another figure, and it was of the Huntress. And yes, I did kind of like the fact that they used Helena Bertinelli, even though there is a Helena Wayne. She seemed... Using Helena Bertinelli lets you keep Batman, because using Helena. I don't know what just got into me, but it wasn't pleasant. Yeah. But yeah, back to this. I really like the Helena Bertinelli character. I really wish there was a way to keep them separate, because both characters would be good and useful. But when you have a long running comic book series and you want to progress and you want to have the next generation of heroes, you know, Helena Wayne is Batman's daughter, Batman and Catwoman's daughter. And in order to use it without having them get together and have a child and, you know, grow old and retire and that kind of stuff, you can use them. And Huntress is a good character. Ooh. I'm pretty sure she's probably underutilized at this point, because when you have a character with a backstory like that and having to recreate, it's even a great backstory, her origin, which they were pretty good with the with showing her origin, which is pretty comic book accurate, except, you know, minor details. Zaz wasn't actually involved in that, and I kind of wish Zaz was involved in this, because he's been used in Gotham and now this movie, and he's actually a pretty vicious villain. But there's not a lot to it. Oops. Yep, we get a duplicate of this. That makes 3 of these that I have, because the other one's off in Neverland. So, okay, so there are lots of duplicates. One exciting, I'm glad I have this. I mean, I'm glad I have all of them, really. I love I used to collect action figures, and these take up less space, unless, of course, you get a whole lot of them, like I do. And also get, like, Funko Pops, which they are smaller than action figures, but when you get the volume, they still take up a lot of space. Okay. And our run of duplicates continues. I don't think I've had this many duplicates since the classic horror run, where, you know, I'd already gone through like 2 or 3 cases before I ever did the video, before I even started the YouTube thing, so that was pretty well expected. But yeah, I do have a lot of extras from that one. And now this one, which I don't mind. I can do stuff with them. I actually do give these things away if I know somebody that appreciates the character or something. So, and another one. I sure hope somebody I know appreciates Harley, because I'm going to be giving away a lot of Harley Quinns. It's like 5, do I have 5 friends that like Harley Quinn? I think everybody has 5 friends that like Harley Quinn. I hear she's kind of popular. Air slowly escaped out of that one. Okay, we've got a new one, and we have got her older sister. So, yay! How exciting is that? We'll call this one the Booby Trap. Since that's what they wanted to call it. You can fall. You can all fall. But yeah, that one's another 1 in 24. So that's another rare one. I am surprised I haven't gotten a Roman yet. These are 1 in 12. Let's see. Majority of everything that I've gotten so far, if I look at the back here. Yes. She's a 1 in 6. Obviously, I've got several of them. I'll just pick her up. She's a 1 in 6. That makes sense as to why I have like 4 of them. Huntress is a 1 in 6, so probably not the last one of those we got. And the roller derby Harley, she's a 1 in 6. So that explains why we got so many of those duplicates. It looks like we've got multiples on the 1 in 6, so we've only got 3 left. We'll get through this. I was not expecting to get a duplicate of her, however. That one is a surprise. It is cute, though. What are the odds of me getting one of that rarity? Or I guess they've all got to go in somewhere. It is just kind of surprising that I would get. Was not expecting. I would think that would be harder to find. Now we're down to the meat and potatoes. Another one. Aha! Here's the Roman. Finally managed to get one. Now, if you follow the comics, you know, I mean, I've got the Roman, I got the Pop. I should have brought that one out, too. Yeah, if you follow the common, Roman's very rarely without his mask. And that's kind of a shame that they didn't. They should have done more, I think. So, what are we going to get? What are we hoping for? I could go with, I don't want to anticipate. There is 1, 2. Well. Okay, there's 3 characters that I would like to get. Let's hope that this is one of them. One of the figures that I'm hoping to get. So, yeah, let's check this. Check this one out, and I'm actually a physical media collector, so I'm actually hoping that I will be able to get the DVD of that, because that was good enough to get the DVD. Then again, I got the Suicide Squad DVD, and I didn't like that one at all, except for Margot Robbie. And we've got Bruce. He was not one of the characters that I was, the last 3 characters that I was hoping for. I do have the flocked version of him. But, yeah. So all in all, that's a pretty good little set. I got plenty of duplicates, but that's what you get when you order these kind of stuff. I don't mind at all, because like I said, these actually make great gifts, especially this one. And I am putting together a box to give away. I know I'm very close to 50 subscribers, but there's nothing like anticipating the future. So I'm already putting together a box to give away for 100 subscribers. So I'll figure out a contest of some kind, and I will, and who knows how long that's going to take, because I'm only at 45 subscribers, and that could take quite a while. But still, it's better to be prepared. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be doing close-ups on these so you can get a closer look at them. I know they're small. I'm glad you came by. I'm glad you stuck around, and if you've made it this far into the video, I'm glad you stayed. I'll see you again soon, and thanks for watching.